crab boil.
Hold on. No, we're gonna go a little bit smaller.
No, do a lot. Come on, stop being a little booty hole. You gotta do more, like this much. This much. Come on. Stop being a little baby. Oh, you gotta swallow it. Whoever don't swallow it loses.
I'm going with a smaller one.
Oh god, you little baby. Alright. Oh god, wait, hold on, I got it. Alright.
3. Wait, you're getting in my camera. Alright, ready? Wait. Wait, did you start it?
Yeah, it's recording.
Alright.
3,
2, 1.
Oh my. Oh, it's magic. I'm done! Don't taste that bad. Oh, it's hot now. You got it in my nose. It's a bit in my throat.
Come on, get a drink.
Where did my tea go? Where'd my tea go? Where's my tea? Is this my tea or is this yours, Ethan?
That's yours.
Dude, my nose is on fire. It just started making me laugh. I'll pour this up my nose.
Did you say you're gonna pour it inside your nose?
I'm about to.
Is it snowing yet?
Nope, but I'm about to pour this up my nose.
I bet you. You gonna pour it up your nose? Let me do it. Let me do it.
No.
Let me do it.
Nope.
All right, go. What the heck? Ethan, it's your turn. You gotta do it. Cameraman gotta do it.
What?
You gotta do the crab boil thing. It looks like you're crying. It's still hot.
I'm good now. Gang gang.
It's still hot. Holy crap. Alright, you can turn it off.
Jody. Oh, wait.
What the heck did you put in the corn?
The stuff that we just ate.
It feels bad. It feels bad. It feels good. It feels good. Okay, I'm tired. Okay, let's
Push up. Come on, music playing.
the music playing.
Go, right.
Go.
Come on, let's go.
Come on. I got it. I hear you on the video. God, the freaking ice. It's all ice. What the hell? Holy crap. Oh my god, the whole pool.
Don't fall in the pool.
Nigga, I'm a flip. Hey, I'm gonna in the pool. Hey, I was cold. It's cold. Hey, it's like ice cream. It's like ice skating, son. Oh shit. Crap, oops. Yo, this is... Where is he going? Where's he going? My feet. Where are you going?
He ain't got shoes on.
Yo, I can't even, like, move. Oh, shit.
Alright, comes.
Oh, I got it. Oh, I wonder if you got it like ice skates. Like, no, don't work. Don't work. Don't work. I don't like belly roll on it. 3, 2.
You're about to belly roll.
It's like a penguin. Sir, hey! Oh, God. It's cold. Alright, let's go inside.
Wait, what? And whoever chickens out and gets off first. is the loser, and whoever stays on there the longest.
You look like one of those mannequins, how they put them in the jackets. I swear.
And whoever,
I'm gonna last the longest.
And that includes the driver too. That includes the driver.
Oh God, I got.
Well, if the driver gets off, who's gonna?
I got stuff on my lens.
The other person.
I'm gonna win. I'm not getting off.
Huh?
Gosh dang it.
Y'all wanna go do it now?
Yeah, let's go.
Right now.
I'm cooking right now.
What you cooking? Corn. Corn. Oh God, it's boiling.
Erlen. It's Erlen.
It's cold. Holy crap. Dude, it's sleeting hard now. I'll leave him alone. He's doing his little thing. Boy, you turn that corn up, son.
Wait, you're videoing?
Yeah. Hey, alright. You got in my ear. Hey, I swear. All on me.
Where you going? Turn back towards me.
No, I'm videoing. Stop. You got in my ear. Hey, you got some Q-tips. Q-tips?
Yeah, there's some.
Ew. Stop it! He's burning freaking. Stop, nigga.
Hey, my second phone.
Yo, second. Shut up. Go. Hurry up, go. No, I'm not driving. He gonna get mad. You done it already?
Huh?
You done this?
What?
He gonna get mad.
Shut the door.
Turn the lights on.
Take the lock and shut the door.
Why? He's not even outside.
You coming?
No. Why? Wait, we gotta turn the lights on.
Over there.
Where?
Over there.
Holy crap, it's cold.
Thanks, E-Back. Make that look.
Huh? Nope. Let him get in the back. Let him get in the back. Nope. Your golf ball's falling. Don't let it up. Don't let it up. Don't let it up. He's coming. Alright, let it go. Hey, calm down. He got the no. Let him up. Let it up. All right. No. Let's go. Get it. Ow. Holy crap, it's cold. Ready? No, nigga, what you doing? Hey. You stupid. Hey, all right. Chill. Hold on, let me get out. Ethan! Open up! Open it! Open it, Jackie! Holy crap, that freaking ice! Huh? Yeah. Hey! Let me get in, Hey! The behind the scenes, guys. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes of making a YouTube video. Is that good? You can just look on your phone. What the heck?
Oh, there we go.
Nigga. Oh no. It just started snowing. It's not snowing hard, but hold on, I gotta go. Oh my god, my hands are freaking
Wait,
frozen.
is it really snowing?
Yeah, it was really snowing.
It was. Not anymore.
Turn your light bar back on. Look at the difference it makes. Look, that to that. That's crazy.
Alright. Alright, so Jody lost, freeze out, or whatever it's called.
We're still playing.
Well, I was looking for my lens, okay?
But when you like Jody, you should go through that door right now and like turn off the light.
No.
Yeah.
No. Alright, time out on the game, right? Look, time out on the.
It's snowing.
Hey,
It's snowing or sleeting.
Snow or
I swear. Sleet. I swear it's ice. Look.
Oh my gosh, it is! It is snowing! Holy crap! Oh my gosh! It's snowing good too! Holy crap! It's snowing!
It's sleet.
It's
Snow
snowing!
is white. This is clear. Then it's sleet.
Goes
Snow
cold.
doesn't hurt.
It's going in my nose.
Gang, gang.
It's him filming his video.
Gang. Alright,
I'm gonna film my day.
Make sure it don't get too wet.
Alright.
It'll say lens error.
Lens error.
Here, hold that.
Wait, why don't you have the camera in here?
It's already videoing. I don't know if it's video now.
Yeah, it is.
Alright.
Alright, so Jody lost, freeze out, or whatever it's called.
We're still playing.
Well, I was looking for my lens, okay?